Greetings guys, Ann here, and guess where I'm at? And I am back here to see.
Welcome back! We're so happy to have Ann from Boutique Bridal back. She's coming back for our Store Is Yours event. It's on Sunday, July 15th from 9:30 a.m. until noon. And we're giving away prizes and gifts. First 3 registrants to walk through the door automatically get a fry pan. We're going to be giving away cookbooks, Kate Spade mugs, some cutting boards, a Bridal cutting board. It's a really, really fun event. Free food, drinks provided by Corbin. It's going to be awesome. Meet our fabulous vendors. We're going to have Ann from Boutique Bridal, Elizabeth from Pure Plush Photography, Tracy from Heat Floral and Event Planning and Design, and we're also going to have Corbin, who they're going to come and test out their patented wine system. They're going to be making some delicious drinks for you. It's called Summer Night with some rosé wine. It's absolutely delicious. So come on in, free food, free drinks. Okay, so the registries can be created either online at home or you can do it here in store. We love helping our brides from start to finish. So come on in and we can do it here at the computer, any of our other computers. We would absolutely love to help. The main thing is you want to be able to get your registry number. So everything is going to be identified through that registry number. So from the creation all the way till after your event. So one of the things that they ask for that's really important, and I want to make sure our brides always know, or any of our registrants know, is that we have shipping addresses before the event and an after an event. So you always want to go in and make sure that those addresses are where you want your gifts sent to, or if you want to come in and you order something after the event, where we would ship it to. Now again, if those things change, we can always edit. Everything can be changed and altered accordingly, and always come on in and give us a call. We'd love to help you further. So today, we've created a registry for Boutique Bridal. You're going to click on your event day, so we'll just say December. And then you're going to give the registrant. You can link a co-registrant to your account. You don't have to have that if you don't want to. But it's something we recommend. We always list a daytime phone number. That's for delivery questions. So whenever anything's being delivered, if something's, if they're maybe gonna miss you, so we always recommend maybe a cell phone. So once we've created your registry and we get your registry number, we have 2 different options. We can do it through our scanner. So it's already been uploaded, so you can see, and you would just hit these yellow buttons here or here on the sides, and you would scan our barcode to upload to your registry. So here's our barcode. It tells me what it is, and I can punch in how many items I want. So we're just gonna hit enter, and then you move on to the next thing. Another way of doing it, which I absolutely love, is through our Williams-Sonoma Registry App. So you would download the app on your smartphone, click on it, you would punch in your information, so we're just gonna log on. Once we're logged in, we're gonna go here to the welcome, scan items, and it's gonna go ahead and use your camera on your phone. So you would just take a picture, hold it up, scans it, and everything pops up for you here. And you can alter the quantity as you see fit and then add to your registry. So what's fun is that you have several different options. So let's say I come in, I register, and I'm not able to finish. I can always come back on a later date, and if I chose not to schedule an appointment, I just happen to be in the area, or I want to avoid traffic and I pop in and continue registering, I can just pull up my app and I can go as I please. So I always absolutely love the app. It's a lot of fun and it's really easy to use. So make sure you come in and register with us. You get 10% registry completion. You can schedule an appointment with us. We can help you, or you can just pop in and do as you please. We do a thank you note management system. So every person that purchases with us, if they choose to leave their information, you go to one place to get all of the addresses for your thank you note. So you know what the item is. So it's really, really easy. We also do contestants with our vendors. So our vendors, for example, KitchenAid, if you purchase a KitchenAid, if you send them the details of your purchase, they'll go ahead and send you additional items. And we have several vendors, KitchenAid, Woostop, Swilling, all these different vendors have tons of ways for you to get additional products. So first of all, we're in our Williams-Sonoma home. So if you're looking to register for your couch couch, living room, bedding, all kinds of chic designs, classic, but also a twist of modern. Our Williams-Sonoma home section is a great place to come register. So now let's head over to kitchen, everybody's dream kitchen. It's our knife section here. We have German and Asian knives. The Shun line is incredibly popular for our bridal registrants. They love it. This is also a good time to come register if you're a new homeowner. We get a lot of housewarming. If you're looking to retire, secondary home, whatever it is that you're looking to register for, any event, come on in, register here. We've got lots of great perks for you. Our biggest perk that everybody absolutely loves, it's our 10% off registry completion. So after your event, up to 6 months after that, you can get 10% off, and it's really nice because you can add items even after your event. So if you want to come in and you say, Alessandra, I need a knife in addition to my set that someone bought me at my party, you come on in, we'll add that in, you're going to get 10% off. So it's a great time to stock up. Every bride, every homeowner loves the KitchenAid. We have all sorts of KitchenAid. So even if you have a small home, we have the KitchenAid Mini. That's a great fit for you. If you're a huge baker or you work from home, we have the 7-quart KitchenAid mixers. I'm telling you, come in, register. You're going to love your items. It's a workhorse in the kitchen. It lasts forever, so come get one. Who does not want an espresso in the morning? Or you can do your traditional home drip brews. Lots of different machines. As you can see, tons of options. You can be your own barista at home. It's a lot cheaper than buying it in the store. So we're gonna go over to our cookware now. So every time a registrant comes in, I always recommend starting in cookware, because a good cookware set sets the theme, makes your life so much easier. We have tons of different options, from stainless steel to cast iron to copper. It's all here. So come on, let's go take a look. Alright, so we're here at our Le Creuset. This is an item everybody absolutely loves. It's a lifetime warranty. You can put it in the oven. We usually recommend starting with our Dutch ovens, and then we have tons of different colors. We actually have a line. It's the ocean color. I'll show it to you here. Specifically designed, the paint color is designed just for Williams-Sonoma. Alright, we have our Staub line here, and then we're going into all of our stainless steels. So super, super durable cookware. You can go into the oven, stay on your stove top, induction, gas range, and on to, we have some of our copper pieces. Now we can even do ovens. We have our La Cornue ovens that we can have specifically designed and catered to your needs in your kitchen. Our non-stick, it's easy to use. You can do from beginners. You can get registered just for single items. So if you have a stainless steel cookware and you want to add maybe omelet pan or a frittata pan, we're going to be making frittatas for you on Sunday. So be sure to come on in and try it out. And here we are. This is our Ruffoni copper. So this is all hand hammered in Italy. This line is stunning, absolutely gorgeous. Some people have it and they just set it all out on their stovetop because it's such a good, gorgeous piece. It's a great conversation starter. If you come in, you're going to get that 10% off registry completion, and it's such a good deal with the Ruffoni. So come on into Stores Yours, July 15th. We have everything else you could possibly desire to create your dream kitchen. All sorts of different tools, spatulas, fruit tools, watermelon cutters, anything you can think of, we have it here. So come on into Stores Yours, get to know your products before you register for it, right? This is actually our outdoor line. So you can get anything that you need for your indoor table as well as your outdoor table. So this is an Erin line. It's created by an heiress from Estee Lauder. So this she actually designs off of her home in Palm Beach. Come in, guys, July 15th, 9:30 a.m. until noon. Come on in, guys. We're excited to see you.
It's going to be a lot of fun, so we look forward to seeing you guys. Join us. Come on in. Bye. I love this collaboration with Williams-Sonoma Town & Country because they inspire their guests to create. They also have a range of services such as technique and cooking classes, registry appointments, free knife sharpening services, product training, cookbook events, and they are a big supporter of local artisans. Well, thank you for visiting, and I hope you can join us at the event, The Store is Yours, at Williams-Sonoma Town & Country.